Stop scrolling. If you're a digital marketer, agency owner, or a freelancer in 2026 and you're still using AI just to write your captions, then I'm sorry to say this, you're already too late. Today I'm breaking down the 2026 AI marketing stack. 10 tools that are helping agencies cut down the manual work by 50% and increase the client ROAS by up to 40%. This isn't just theory, this is what top performing agencies are using right now. Let's get into it. Let's understand how fast things have changed. In 2024, we were experimenting with AI. In 2025, we were integrating AI into our workflow. But in 2026, the game has completely changed. We have moved on from generative AI tools that suggest to agentic AI tools that execute. Meaning, AI just doesn't tell you what to do anymore. It actually executes the work for you. And this isn't hype. According to Ernst & Young, early AI adopters are already seeing 25 to 40% performance improvements as compared to traditional competitors. So, if your AI use stops at ChatGPT for captions, then someone else is already pitching your client better than you. First, Sora and Veo 3, AI video that converts. Let's talk about the biggest problem in today's marketing landscape: video production. Shoots are expensive, timelines are slow, and clients, they want more content faster. This is when Sora and Veo 3 comes in. In 2026, these tools can generate cinematic quality ads without cameras, crews, or location. And here's the crazy part. AI generated videos are already seeing 3x higher engagement as compared to static creatives on Instagram and Meta platforms. You test faster, you fail cheaper, and you scale quicker. Then Leonardo.ai, built for India. Now, this one is underrated, especially for Indian brands. Leonardo.ai has cracked regional aesthetics, festivals, skin tones, local architecture, and Indian fashion. Its canvas editors lets you tweak creatives like Photoshop but powered with AI. Results: hyperlocal ads with near-perfect cultural accuracy. This is gold for D2C brands, real estate, education, and local companies. Then, Magix, your media buying brain. Let me say this clearly. Manual media buying in 2026 is a complete waste of human intelligence. Magix is basically an AI autopilot that helps you in Meta and Google Ads. Agencies using AI-driven media buying are seeing 40% lower CPL. And the best part, you can ask it, why did my ROI drop for Mumbai yesterday? And it answers with actual data, not just guesswork. 24/7 bid adjustment, automated creative testing, and zero emotional decisions. Google Flow, predict before it breaks. GA4 tells you what has already happened. That's too late, but Google Flow tells you what will happen. It predicts which ad set will fatigue, where the creators will stop converting, and where the performance will dip. So you fix the problems before even the client notices. That's how the modern agencies retain clients. Next is HeyGen, that is multilingual avatars for India. India doesn't run on just one language. We have 22 major languages. HeyGen's AI avatars now speak Hindi, Marathi, Tamil, and Bengali with perfect lip sync. One video, multiple regional versions, and massive reach. This is how brands win Tier 2 and Tier 3 markets in 2026. Next is ElevenLabs. Voice is the new scroll. Here's the stat that most marketers avoid. 97% of the Indian mobile users use voice in some form for searching. ElevenLabs gives you Indian English accents, regional tones, and ultra-realistic dubbing. No more hiring voice artists for a tiny edit. You change the script and regenerate in minutes. Next, Make.com. If Zapier is basic, then Make.com is advanced architecture. It's a real workflow. A lead fills a meta form, AI qualifies it, CRM updates it, and a personalized WhatsApp message is sent, all within 10 seconds. This alone reduces 30 to 50% of the manual work. Your team stops working on admin and starts working on strategy. Next, Surfer SEO AI, owning Google's SGE. SEO in 2026 is not just about keywords, it's about search intent. Surfer AI optimizes Google's search generative experience with the AI answer box at the top. Agencies using this are ranking 27% faster without keyword stuffing. If your content isn't AI readable, then it's invisible. Next is Jasper AI, that is brand consistency at scale. Why Jasper still matters? Brand memory. Whether it's a Bengaluru-based D2C firm or a Mumbai-based fintech firm, every blog, ad and landing page sounds consistent. Consistency builds trust and trust builds conversion. Perplexity Pro, your strategy in minutes. First, market research used to take a lot of time, but now with this tool it scans real-time Indian market data, social trends and competitor moves. It also gives you a ready-to-pitch market strategy in minutes. It is perfect for moment marketing, client presentations and trend hopping. This is how you can move 10 steps ahead than your competitor. Here's the truth. AI will not replace your agency, but an agency using AI will replace you. By the end of 2026, we can enter what we call as human creative renaissance. AI handles the math, AI handles the manual, so you can focus on the magic, that is creative storytelling and building human connections. If this video has helped you, subscribe for more deep dives into the Indian tech and marketing landscape because the future isn't coming, it's already here.